Situated just near the bus station and a little bit away from the noises of the city, this hotel was perfect for us. But the staff was more than helpful with everything we needed during our stay. Renting motorbike, booking tickets for local buses, etc. The breakfast was also very good and we liked that it changed from day to day. Thank you very much for this wonderful stay in the beautiful town of Hpa An. Recommend to stay. Recommend to stay there when you are in Hpa An. Near city center and other visit places. Enough car parking spaces. Staff was very friendly and helpful. Breakfast was good. Rooms are spacious and clean. A modernized and cozy place to spend time with family. Exceptional. Really nice hotel with clean rooms including AC. The location is a bit out of the city center and therefore a bike/tuk-tuk is needed in most cases. On the other hand, the main bus terminal is just next door. The staff is really helpful and friendly. Definitely a recommendation. Very hospitable staff. Above all, the staff at the reception were really friendly, hospitable and helpful in all aspects. Early check-in, arranging tuk-tuk, or noisy kids. All no problem for them. Excellent. The staff were accommodating, not a bad breakfast for the price. Good service. The hotel located at very near to bus station. Hotel staffs were so good and accommodate our needs. However, there is no restaurant nearby unless you need to walk to the main road about 10 minutes. The room is very comfortable.